Explore your knowledge with the Botnica.
So our new topic is artificial photosynthesis system. So what is artificial photosynthesis system? Artificial photosynthesis system, it mimics the natural photosynthesis system, or it mimics the natural photosynthesis. In this process, light and water is used to produce chemical fuel such as gasoline and methanol due to oxidation of the water. Simply, this process is mimics, or like it is like a natural photosynthesis. In this process, the light and water is used for what? To create the chemical fuels such as gasoline and methanol. It is created due to oxidation of water. The study of artificial photosynthesis started in 1972 in Tokyo by the scientists Akira and Kenichi Honda. Okay, this is about introductory part. Now the component used in artificial photosynthesis. If you want to set up the system of artificial photosynthesis, then you need these are some machineries. Okay, first one is PV panel. This is a solar like panel. It is used to produce the electricity to power of the system. It is function of uh, powerhouse, or it provides the power to the system. Now enzyme bed reactor, this device is used to fix the atmospheric CO2 from the air. For what? It is for it is for chemical fuel production. The CO2 which is come from atmospheric air, or it is come from trees, then there is a need to capture this CO2. Then the device used to capture this CO2, this is the enzyme bed reactor. Okay. And next is a bioelectric transducer. This bioelectric transducer fuel the enzyme bed reactor. It is fuel the enzyme bed reactor. Then these two devices are linked to each other, or they are dependent on each other. Okay. Next, we deal with the process of artificial photosynthesis. This diagram represent the process of artificial photosynthesis. Now we see that how it carried out. Okay. This is sunlight, which is natural source of light. Okay. This is sun, which is natural source of light. The light are incident on the PV panel. It contains quantum dots. This is a PV panel. This is a PV panel. This quantum dot material are called as photosensitizers. These panel are made from photosensitizers, or photosensitizers are quantum dots. This panel contain quantum dots. Okay. Now water come from the source. Also, in definition we see that to carry out the process of artificial photosynthesis, we need two factors, that is light and H2O, that is water. Okay, water water is come. Okay, now through water is oxidized. Water is oxidized, and electron get emitted. Electron get emitted, and hole also get emitted. From hole, the the H2O molecule get created and proton get created. This is a hole. It is due to oxidization of the water, electron get emitted. This electron received by electron acceptor. This electron received by electron acceptor. Okay, sorry. This electron get received by electron acceptor, and also there is production of hole. Hole produce O2 and proton. Then this proton then this proton is this proton is responsible for production of O2, sorry, hydrogen, and this hydrogen combining with CO2, uh, which is come from atmospheric air, and this captured by electronic bed reactor as we see, and this CO2 get combined or react with this hydrogen and produce uh, the the chemical fuels such as gasoline and methanol. Now we see now now let's see in detail. Now first step is light absorption. Photosynthesizers such as quantum dots absorb light and generate the electrons. Simply, the photosynthesizers such as PV panel which contain quantum dot, it absorbs the light and generate the electrons. Next step is the charge separation. Now, as the light incident on the quantum dot, the electron get excited, and these electron get transferred and accepted by electron acceptors, while the hole transferred toward the electron donor. These holes are transferred towards the electron donor. Next step is the water oxidation. The hole oxidize to H2O. These holes are oxidized water molecules, and it produce O2 and proton. This water molecule gets split into O2 and proton. Now this proton responsible for the production of hydrogen molecule. Now this hydrogen molecule reacts with atmospheric CO2 and produce chemical fuel such as gasoline and methanol. These are the entire process of artificial photosynthesis system. Now there are some benefits of artificial photosynthesis system. It reduces the global water demand. Due to this artificial photosynthesis system, the global water demand get reduced. Next is to produce food in controlled environment. It helps to produce the food in controlled environment because there is no need of natural sunlight. Okay. In this process, even artificial light is also used. Next is to produce hydrogen fuel, which is energy efficient. In this system, hydrogen is also produced. It used as a fuel. And next is to create clean energy system. It also help in to create a clean energy system. It reduces greenhouse gases effect. Greenhouse gases such as CO2 and the other gases, greenhouse gases, reduced due to this artificial photosynthesis system. Now this topic get over. Thank you.